Welcome to Clicks and Clarity with Claire, where we turn Google Ads confusion into conversion. I'm Claire Jarrett, and today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet underused tools in your Google Ads toolkit, ad assets, formerly known as ad extensions. If you're not using these properly, you're leaving money on the table. Let's fix that right now. First, let's clarify exactly what ad assets are and why they matter. Ad assets are additional pieces of information you can add to your Google Ads to make them more compelling. They boost your click-through rate, improve your quality score, and ultimately increase your ROI. Think of them as extra reasons for your ideal customer to click your ad instead of your competitors. Today, I'll walk you through each type of ad asset, when to use them, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Let's start with site link assets. These let you link directly to specific pages on your site. Running a winter clearance sale? Use site links to direct visitors straight to jackets, boots, or scarves. Selling pet food? Create site links for dog food and cat food separately. Always keep these updated to reflect current promotions, and don't forget to add descriptions to grab extra ad real estate. Here's a quick tip. Regularly review your site link performance data. If certain site links aren't getting clicks, swap them out for something more relevant. Next up, call out assets. These are short, punchy highlights that showcase your unique selling points. Think free shipping, 24/7 support, or locally sourced ingredients. They're quick, impactful, and can appear in any order, so make sure each one stands strong on its own. A common mistake I see is businesses using generic callouts like great service. Instead, be specific. Highlight exactly what makes your service great. Then we have structured snippet assets. These break down your offerings by category. If you're an e-commerce store, you might highlight brands Levi's, Calvin Klein, Free People. If you're a travel agency, spotlight destinations, Paris, Bali, Cape Town. Specificity is key here. Aim for at least 4 items per snippet. Structured snippets are often confused with callouts, but remember, snippets categorize your offerings while callouts highlight benefits. Now let's talk location assets. If you have a physical location, these assets show your address, a map, and even the distance to your shop. On mobile, users can tap to call or get directions instantly, perfect for driving foot traffic. Just make sure your business information, hours, phone number, and address is always accurate. Here's a pro tip. If you're running local events or special offers, mention them in your ad copy to give customers an extra incentive to visit. Moving on to headline and description assets. These are the core of responsive search ads. You provide multiple headlines and descriptions, and Google dynamically combines them to find the best performing combinations. Yes, you lose some control, but the insights you gain into what resonates with your audience are invaluable. A common pitfall here is repeating the same message across multiple headlines. Instead, craft unique, benefit-driven headlines and descriptions to maximize your testing power. Next, image assets. These add visual appeal to your ads. Running a restaurant? Use mouth-watering images of your dishes. Promoting an art gallery? Showcase your best exhibits. Just ensure your images align perfectly with your landing page and brand identity. Always test multiple images to see which resonate best with your audience. Now let's cover call assets. These turn your ads into direct lines to your business. Mobile users can tap to call immediately, while desktop users see a handy QR code. If you're an HVAC business, for example, this asset can help customers quickly schedule consultations or emergency services. Don't forget to use Google's call tracking to measure effectiveness. Then we have business information assets. These display your business name and logo alongside your ads. Adding professionalism and trust. Google can auto-generate these, but always double-check them for accuracy. Consistency is key. Stick to one logo and business name across all campaigns. Next, lead form assets. These allow leads to sign up or express interest directly from your ad. No website visit required. Ideal for fitness studios offering free trials or B2B SaaS companies generating demo leads. Just be aware of eligibility criteria for certain campaign types. Here's a quick tip. Keep your lead forms short and simple. The easier it is for leads to complete, the higher your conversion rate. Now let's talk price assets. These showcase your products or services with clear pricing directly in your ads. This is perfect for high-intent buyers who want quick, transparent information. Update these regularly to reflect seasonal sales or new offerings. A common mistake here is mismatching your price assets with your landing page. Always ensure consistency to avoid confusing potential customers. Next, app assets. If you have an app, these assets link directly to your App Store listing. Ideal for businesses like food delivery services, where users can choose between visiting your site or downloading your app for exclusive deals. Make sure your app assets clearly communicate the benefit of downloading your app, whether it's faster checkout, exclusive discounts, or loyalty rewards. Finally, promotion assets. These spotlight your special offers like Black Friday sale or 10% off orders over £50. They're attention-grabbing and perfect for holiday campaigns or limited time offers. Here's a bonus tip. Use promotion assets strategically throughout the year, not just during major holidays. Think seasonal sales, anniversaries, or even customer appreciation events. Now, let's address a common frustration: disapproved assets. If your assets get disapproved, it's usually due to Google's advertising policies. Hover over the status column in your account to see what's wrong, fix it, and submit an appeal if needed. Don't panic, it's usually a quick fix. Before we wrap up, here's your quick best practice checklist. 1. Use every asset type that aligns with your business goals. 2. Aim for at least 4 asset types per campaign for maximum visibility. 3. Regularly test and optimize your assets based on click-through rates and conversions. 4. Always ensure consistency between your ad assets, landing pages, and overall brand messaging. 5. Regularly review your asset performance data and adjust accordingly. Remember, ad assets aren't just nice-to-haves, they're essential for maximizing your Google Ads performance. I've audited countless accounts where simply adding or optimizing ad assets dramatically improved results. Don't underestimate their power. If you're feeling overwhelmed, start small. Pick 2 or 3 asset types most relevant to your business and master those first. Then gradually expand your use of assets as you become more comfortable. And that's it. Your complete, detailed guide to Google Ads assets. If you found this helpful, subscribe and leave a review. And remember, clarity leads to clicks, and clicks lead to customers. Thanks for listening. You can head to clairejarrett.com to schedule a call with me and talk about having us manage your Google Ads accounts and help set up and manage your ad extensions. Until next time, this is Claire Jarrett reminding you, optimize your ad extensions for greater advertising profits. Goodbye for now.